Alright guys, this is the final video here of following current, and we're going to put the whole thing into perspective with how we followed crypto with the pound, and we're going to do the same with the Swiss franc right now. So here's the open of today. Swiss is green. What we see is Swiss has gone up while the Euro Swiss has gone sideways. Now it's gone down. Okay. Well, the Euro, what's this here? Hang on a minute. Do we have the right one here? Let me make sure we got the right one. No, 1 second. We'll change this up a little bit. You're going to see what I'm talking about here. Swiss collective overlay. Right. The green is the Swiss. Right. Yeah, no, we're right. Let's go back here. Alright, so Swiss green's gone up. Let's make sure we got the right ones. Euro Swiss, Euro Yen, yeah, alright. Euro Aussie, Euro Dollar, okay. Euro, what's this one here? Euro, no, it's not correct. Euro CAD, okay, the red Euro CAD. So what has to happen? Well, they have to follow the Swiss, right? In the same way that we followed crypto. We knew that dollar was down. Crypto went down against the dollar, suggesting that strength would come into the dollar. That price will then have to be reflected in pound, euro, Aussie, New Zealand dollar, and dollar Swiss. Well, we have the same thing here. Okay. Swiss has gone up. Euro and all of these will have to drop. Where is the other chart? Let's do it this way. Now we know that Swiss is dominating currently. We've got Swiss up, CAD Swiss down. Right? Dollar Swiss relative to the open. It's down. New Zealand down. Now Aussie Swiss is down. Now let's bring up the euro. What's here? You see, it's down less. We sold a little late. We should have been selling up here. If we bring all those other euro currencies into it, they're going to be trading high. They're going to need to drop. Okay, so let's just quickly do that. Euro dollar, same perspective again, and then I'm going to show you something crazy on the higher time frame, which it's basically game over at this point. Right. this euro dollar is going to have to fall, just like in the crypto following trade. Okay, try to get that in your minds. Let's go again. Next euro one is EuroCAD. Okay. Also take that as well. I'm not too into euro yen because we think it's yen is going up, so I'm not going to take that. Okay, that's good. Euro New Zealand. Oh wow, huge. Gonna do a little more homework on that one though. Or wait a little bit, you know. But this is just, these trades I'm just showing you here are just for the perspective of following. We're not doing any fine-tune entries, nothing. And we'll come back to that later if we want to go further with these particular trades. But this is what I'm trying to talk about, what I'm trying to show you guys how it works without using crypto. The next thing I wanted to show you, and the final thing for this video, is, let's go over to the all currencies, and we'll show you guys how we can do this on a higher time frame. This way we don't have to do too much work. We can lighten the workload. On the 1 minute, I feel this way we're gonna have to be doing 8 hours a day. Realistically. Yeah, about 8 hours. You know, 3 in the morning, a few in the afternoon, some in the evening, some before bed, whatever. But if we want to cut that workload down, let's try to do it this way here. All right, 4 hour, just randomly. Now remember, we can go back in time, guys. Okay, we have no opinion, no other view of this chart. All right, except, well, I've done this earlier, so we'll go on the 4 hour here. Just move this orange box, and I'll do it again. We'll just go back to a random point of time. It's here. Doesn't matter. We can pick anywhere. Go over to where we are in time. We're here, but we don't want to wait for that, like we discussed. Let's line it up with the path of the moving average right here. We don't want to wait for that. We want to go back and see what we've missed. Okay, so we go back in time and bring it here. What do we see? We see our trend line is above while the moving average is coming down in pound. And it's suggesting that pound currently is weak and it's already down. Euro is sideways to going up, while here the moving average is red. If you look here, that is the area. I'll show you again. Just go back to it wherever we can see it, doesn't matter. Go over to this point in time. We're too lazy for that. We go back in time. Down here, let's say it was here, whatever. Where was the moving average on that day? Well, that's simple. It was here. Okay. you have the moving average is below the original path, suggesting euro is weakening at that time relative with pound, so they're both weakening. Dollar I've got it marked as green. Obviously we've done the same thing here. You can see the moving average of dollar is reaching up. New Zealand, same again. Okay. New Zealand's the black one. It's already marked orange, so hang on a minute, I've lost something here on the chart. I can't do it this way. That's frustrating. Alright, that works. Back in time, randomly here, wherever we can see, to where we are right now, with the moving average. Alright, that's here. Then we'll go back in time, wherever the moving average was, here. What do you see? The curl is below, suggesting higher time frame New Zealand is in line with pound and euro. Aussie I've put as orange because it's kind of a bit of both. It's in between. You see it's hovering. So we're going to leave that as in the middle, giving the weight in favor again to the dollar, which is green. The CAD we've got as red, but it's still, it's relative to the pound and euro, it's stronger. So, and then the Swiss and the yen, like this. Now, I'm not trying to sell you guys on this idea of just going ahead and just throwing all your money into this, but you can go back for yourself and see how often it works. And remember, you need to just look at the story. Anyway, I've done this one, so I'm happy with it. See right there, it's up. So it's been moving up. So if we, I think that all makes sense how I'm showing you this. So this is green. At this time, Swiss is strong. LFX is stronger, and Swiss, I mean, it's so far away from it, it's crazy. So this has got a lot of underlying strength already in its original path, and now we've got some more. So we'll be going ahead and holding these Swiss trades for a bit longer, and I'll be back, I suppose, with another video maybe tomorrow. But I'm happy with that so far. I think that should be enough. Cheers.